Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification icon for more videos. I'm gonna be making cheesy pizza buns today, and I'm gonna be using wholemeal bread for that. You can use any type of bun you like. Now I've cut them in halves. So guys, now I'm gonna be adding some pizza sauce to my burger buns to give some more flavor. I'm adding 1 teaspoon per bun, but you can add how much ever you like. Now I'm gonna be adding some cheese as the base of the buns, and I'm gonna be adding a few veggies on top. You can add any veggies you like, but I'm going simple with onions, capsicums. Now I placed my pizza buns into the air fryer, and I set my air fryer to 190 degrees, and I kept it for 5 minutes, 3 minutes plus 2. Now my pizza buns are ready. I'm gonna transfer it to a plate and enjoy it.